Let's start this morning with smiles, positive energy, and curiosity.
Quiet wonders of the plant world. I'm Elaine.
Hello, hello.
Mic test.
In the Zoom, ano po, our guest speakers are, of course, very willing to see all of your faces. But I know that because she is actually speaking in behalf of me again sa Agriville, because in a few months' time, you will be the one who will be marching on the stage and receive.
Everyone, good morning, fourth year students. So, allow me to introduce the first speaker, Mrs. Marisa Carissa B. Balane, who will be museum researcher at the Botany and National Herbarium Division of the National Licensure Examination upon graduation.
Research activities. Of course, the Philippine National Herbarium is under our management. Meron din dito mga flowering plant, mga seedless na maliliit nga.
Understand bryophytes and their importance to giving us glimpse of National Museum's work in
publication, herbarium collection management. At the BNHD, he worked in the same office as a museum technician, where he gained first-hand experience. Flynet Research Consortium at the City College of New York. Mr. Hinolan is an active contributor to biodiversity research.
At gaya ng biophytes, sila ay nag-reproduce to spores na hindi ito ma-recognize. Kasama sila Ginela, meron silang
Museum of the Philippines for more than 12 years. He is currently working in Department of Science and he earned his bachelor degree in forestry, magna cum laude at Iowa State University. He has delivered various lectures and workshops.
So, anong una? For A or for B?
To describe the non-vascular plants, which is the mosses, the liverworts, and the hornworts.
Very much, Sharon. Next, magpuproceed po sa 4A.
1, 2, 3. Sawa po. 1, 2, 3.
Na seldom na collected. We make sure na may makolect na kami na one sample and then we have general information based on observation na may population pa doon sa site. So kahit isa or to protect them in situ or on site kung saan sila makikita. So if the site is protected, so yung plants na makikita.
Interesting question. So, and may follow-up question din daw po siya. Pero yun muna daw unang question. Thanks, Sir Joe Marlo.
advice para matapos yung thesis nyo. Pero well, in general naman.
Go.
I would like to do dun sa tulin dun sa area para ma-cover yung at ma-document yung mga birds na makikita dun. And as mentioned by Jomar, na kailangan properly documented nyo yung mga plans doon. So kailangan.
Thank you po, Sir John Ray and Sir Jomar. Siguro time na para mag-change ng thesis. Ano? Oh, si Erlyn daw. Living things has an importance po sa ating ecosystem. So, for you po, ano po talaga yung pinaka-contribution ng mga bryophytes in the ecosystem and
kahit ano sa kanila, diba, it would affect the whole ecosystem. So, we have to understand that an ecosystem is composed of different, as mentioned in my presentation, sila yung first first organization. Paano ba, Miss Arlene, nasagot po ba yung katanungan?
Yes daw po, ma'am. Thank you po very much, Ma'am Isal. So, marami na pong question.
Hello po, good morning po sa mga speaker. My question po is, many of the ferns produce large number of spores. Kay Sir John Ray po.
Hi, come again, ano yung question?
Yung question ko po is, yung ferns po, diba, is too risky. How do the ferns manage to...
Kunyari, meron tayo isang species ng fern, kaya Canatheus, kaya so sa isang sporang ganyan, meron at least siguro
Huli ka, Ron.
100 spores nandun sa sporang yan. So a cluster of sporang, yes, but the number of pinions doon, so meaning millions of spores ang na percentage of survival nila, kahit 1% lang doon sa millions of spores na naging identified at nag-proceed sa pagiging
Just po, na piniface nyo whenever po nagkakanta kayo ng field work, especially sa mga mossy or montane forest in the Philippines po.
Ano po? Since na-discuss nyo po yung diversity ng ferns sa Bicol region. Kung may alam
may mga pinopropose din kami ng mga publication na new distributional record. So, yung mga photos kanina na pinakita ko na new distributional record actually is an unpublished data pa yun. So, na hindi pa natin fully understood or na-document. At mataas pa rin ang chance na may new species pa rin na mag-discover.
Tingin.
So allow me to present to you the macro photography contest. It is one of the contests that we proposed in our activity today. Basahin ko lang po yung namin sa and other specimens, highlighting their peculiar phenotypic features from plants to fungi to microorganism specimens. So without further ado, we present po to you the entries for macro photography contest. Can be dalawang part of that. And Planaria hygromatica, which is the entry number kaya, and the entry number 8 is the Mimosa Pulica the Mimosa Pulica.
Microphotography entries for our photography competition. Next po.
Thank you po!
Go.
Ay, dahil masunod sa ulo. Boom! Ang ganda mo dyan.
Hello.
Let us have a review first. Who knows what does bryophyta mean? Anyone? Nag-review. Bryon means...
Ayan. So, good afternoon, Ma'am Kat, and good afternoon, fourth year. My name is Anna.
Good
Good afternoon po, Ma'am Kat, and to my fellow students.
And to our dean, Ma'am Katrina Jibilani, to my co-students, good afternoon.
Mga bata! Wait lang po, please settle down. And para po sa icebreaker natin, magkakaroon po tayo ng raffle draw. And the wheel. Ayan, draw. Wow. Okay, Melmar. So you won.
Success.
So, good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Ma'am Kat.
Wala na ba kayo dito? So let me hear you scream! Buhay pa po ang ating pinakamaganda. So,
Multitask.
So, good afternoon po ulit. Good afternoon, Ma'am Kat. So, my name is Elaine May Villanuso. I'm from Group 1.
So, may trial po to. 3 beses mag-run. So, ready na ba kayo manalo ng Chips Delight?
Yeah!
Presence of our dean, Ma'am Katrina Gigi Palano, and to the my fellow fourth-year students, good afternoon, guys.
Once again, good afternoon po. And first time, nakakayang magkamali. Yes. Tingin mo next.
Huwari kayo ma-agree ka dali.
Ito po
Huwari
yung
ka ma-agree
nakuha
ka.
namin na specimen,
Yan.
commonly
Nice.
vascular bundles, epidermis for protection, parang ano lang din, parang kagaya lang natin sa skin. Ano po to? Catapult, parang pinipitik niya yung spores para mas malayo yung, para mas kalat yung spores niya for reproduction.
Ganun nagre-rock si Kuya.
And ang advantage doon sa laboratory na yun is nakapag-practice ng frame sectioning.
Pero nakikinig ka, tapos ngingiti. Ngingiti. Yan, tapos ngiti. Yan. Good.
Thank you po. Parang na-discuss ako kasi na A-Mart yung i-discuss. So, good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon Dean, to my faculty members. Good afternoon. And my leaders. With the guide of Mr. Gadayo and the members, Shane, natin ng major brand. First of all, thank you ma'am. And also for the support sa batch namin. And for the surprises and also sa pag-push po sa subject. Thank you. Di po siya naiyak. O yun po yung picture. Thank you so much.
This is Miss Clarissa May Clarina with a percentage 63.2%. This certificate of recognition is hereby given to Miss Clarissa May Clarina and to read the citation in recognition of his or her outstanding achievement. May we call on Ma'am Ligaya and Ma'am Ninette to assist the award.
So, Ayan Torre Campo.
The same citation will be given to Lance Ian Torrecampo.
Hey! 1-5. Paldo. Okay na. Pangalawa mo na yan, Airo. Pangalawa na? Dahil si Ivan. Hey! Anak ko yan! Yan! Ito si Ate Kami.
So, for the second place, sino kaya guys?
Ate Camille!
Fourth year. Let's call on Miss Camille Lopena.
Hey! Paldo.
Presented for earning the Voice of the Majority Award during the Micro and Macro Photography Contest of Tiny Plants.
Nag-request pa. Wala na tama. Okay na. Puro siya. Sige. Yan. Wala, matagal na yung ganyan namin. Tapos di ako umorder.
And curiosity are what make this event so worthwhile. Pursue scientific excellence and fosters a culture of curiosity and dedication in our field.
Visit ka, Kuya Ed. Kakanta yan. Kumanta nga.
So good afternoon po. For the word of thanks. On behalf of the organizers, I would like to extend, the 4B and I would like to extend our heartfelt to
Person of the Biology Program, Miss Imelda Corazon C. Camposano.
Thank you po. Good afternoon, everybody. For the last 2 weeks, ito ay pang-tatlo na activity. Halos lahat. Tapos na po.
Yes.
Yung malapit na yung iba. By the end of December, tapos na lahat ng, halos lahat ng 4th year. And sa
Representative from SDS to deliver the closing remarks. And after that, a liquidation report will be presented by Ms. Agustina and Ms. Kelsey Antoralde. So
so much, Ms. MC. Again, good afternoon, everyone.
Daghang salamat. Diyos Pangala. With that being a major sponsor.